$225 messages.
Hey, where are we meeting tomorrow? What time?
Hey, everyone go watch the cat video and shit. It's so cute.
Do you know when our report is due?
I'm so hungry right now.
We haven't decided where to meet tomorrow.
Do you know who's doing the report? Do you know who's going to do
When
the
are we doing the
interview?
interview?
Oh my gosh, you guys should chill. Watch the cat.
Too many WhatsApp messages.
This is you. And these are your 4 addictions to technology. You never knew tweeting at least 10 times a day about everything you do was something you needed.
Oh no, why is it raining? The rain stopped. Weird. Weird weather. Hashtag rainy. Hashtag sunny.
That's right. Your Twitter followers are simply dying to know your every move. Twitter keeps you occupied during these daily mundane activities. It helps you stay well informed so that you're acutely aware of everything happening around you, never missing a thing.
Buses are so slow. Not a single one is arriving.
Yup, acutely aware, never missing a thing. Time for brunch with your best friend. Ugh, you can never understand how people can just start eating without Instagramming their food first. What's the point of going to a nice indie cafe without photographic evidence? Plus, this Eggs Benedict would look great on Instagram.
Breakfast with the best friend. Hashtag food porn. Hashtag eggs ben.
And now to document the rest